Here we have the Internorm HF510, the H standing for holes, which is timber, and F for fenster, which is windows. The HF510 window is one of Internorm's latest innovations with increased security and also slimmer sight lines. One of the benefits to Internorm is the wide variety of external colours that you can get. The one we have on display here is the HF510, or we would personally refer to it as the DB703 fine structure. This is a really nice metallic finish, gives a really premium feel to a project without increasing the cost significantly. With Internorm, you can also get colour matched external fly screens like the one we have on display here. With this being a HF system, that means that the internal is timber. As you can see, the one on display here is in oak, but you can also get a range of larch, spruce, and other timber finishes as well. On display, we've got another tilt and turn French window here. So when I open up the right one here, we can turn, push that tab here, and then we've got the French window access, so we have a larger opening space. As I would have pointed out too on the outside, we also have the fly screen detail. Here we can pull this all the way down, pop in place, and then leave the window with either in the tilt position or fully open, should you really want to increase the amount of airflow into the property. The HF510 that we've got on display here is in the Home Pure. Now Home Pure has a square profile but isn't completely flush, whereas the Studio version would increase the depth of the sash and then give you a completely flush front. Both of these would provide a very contemporary styling to the property.